1 Databases and database users. Lecture number 8. Content classification of database management systems. So we have a data model, number of users, number of sites, cost, and summary. So first we see how we divided database management system into 4 types. So first one is based on the data model. Based on data model, so in this we have 4 types: hierarchical data model, relational data model, object oriented model, object relational DBMS. So the second one is based on the number of users, single user systems, multi user systems. Third one is based on the number of sites, centralized DBMS, distributed DBMS. Fourth one is based on the cost. So we will see one by one. So first one is hierarchical data model. So the hierarchical data model represents the data in a hierarchical tree structure. There is no standard language for hierarchical model. Most hierarchical database management system have recorded at a time language. Okay. So next one is a relational data model. It stores data in the form of table. Okay, so it will store in the form of table. A relational database is a data driven, not design driven. Okay, maintaining consistency among all applications is easier. It supports Power Query language. Okay, so next we see object oriented models, that is third one in hierarchical. Object-oriented model is based on the collection of objects. This database manages objects for multimedia applications and manages data with complex relationships that are difficult to model and process in the relational database management system. So next one is object relational database management system. In a relational database management system have been extending their model to incorporate object database concepts and other capabilities. Okay, so these are the 4 types of data models. So next we see based on the number of users. So in a single user system supports only one user at a time and are mostly used with the personal computers. Okay, so this is the single user. Multi-user systems, which includes the majority of database management systems, right, support concurrent multiple users can access the database. So this is about based on the number of users. So third one is based on the number of sites. So first one is centralized DBMS, second one is distributed DBMS. In centralized DBMS, if the data is stored at a single computer site, a centralized DBMS can support multiple users, but the DBMS and the database reside totally at a single computer. Okay, so this is in a centralized DBMS. In a distributed DBMS, can have the actual database and DBMS software distributed over the many sites. Okay, and connected to by a computer networks. So these are all systems or connections done by the network. So this is about the based on number of sites. So last one is based on the cost. So the DBMS package costs between $10,000 to the $1,00,000. Single user work with the microcomputers cost between $100, right? So other few elaborative packages cost more than $1,000, right? So this is based on the cost of the. So summary: classification database management system, data model, number of users, number of sites, cost. Thank you.